Today, H&M. Today I'll open this box because I've got new boots from H&M and I think that they are great, but we have to try them on. And so many boots, like I showed you last time, H&M also have same boots like the Chloe, very similar style, almost the same. And you can find them in the, I think, black color and like brown color. So really nice boots. If you don't want to spend your money for the Chloe boots, then H&M have really great substitute for this. And anyway, you can try also find in any other shops. Really, I found also Zara boots, they are really nice, and I found so many other boots. And do you know, last time in the vlog I found a really nice white short ankle boots with the high heel, where there is a contrast black toe and the heel, it is black also. So I placed the order because now the offers, they are so crazy, they are really great, so I couldn't just resist. I had to order these boots. I will try them on, I will check how they look. I think with the nice black white leg trousers or maybe jeans and the black and the white roll neck, they will be really nice. So here in this box I've got one pair of the boots that I hope you will love, and I will love them too. They are of course faux leather, but these boots cost just less than 50 euro. So price it is really good, really amazing, and I think that we can try them on. And they are in the beautiful color, so they are not black. You can always find many black boots with the H&M, and I think that H&M in this year, they have really wonderful choice of the boots. So I hope that you will love it. Let's open the box and let's check what I've got else, because I don't remember. All right. I love the sound. I can just make the unboxing every day. Every single day could be the unboxing. And I wish to order Zara, but since everything I put to my box, to my shopping, to the box, I wish, to the shopping basket on the website, oh my god, that is like 1,000 euro there. So not really today, maybe, but maybe next week we will see. Oh, what I've got. Okay, so I have blouse. So this blouse, I really love the blouses and they really look good with any blazers and things like that. So, you know, it is see-through. Why everything? It is very like a skin color. I'm not sure if I like it, but the beige color or the camel color looks wonderful with the whole beige outfits, like the monochromatic. Or you can wear them all with the jeans, or for the contrast with the black leather trousers. Everything with the black leather trousers, no matter if this is the white shirt, a jumper, a roll neck, in the colors or black, they are also, they always look good. So this we will try later. Then I have, because soon we have a new year. It's gonna be like 2026 already. I don't know where this time gone it is, so anyway, I've got a silver top. I'm not sure if I like it. It is quite heavy and short and big. I've got size small. I had hope that it's gonna be something like a slim top in the silver color. I feel like I've got something else. So what I have, I've got also a nice hair clip. A hair clip in the, with the rose, and it is made of leather. Quite big, but I think if I will put my hair up maybe, and I will use that with that rose. Can you imagine my green coat with this? Beautiful. I love this hair clip, and you can see it is quite big. We have the leather on this side and the beautiful leather thing over there. I hope that this will hold. There is only a green plastic, but beautiful. And I've got the boots. they will be very long. And I think that they will be anyway too big for me. That's good. I'm not gonna keep them. We have a square toe. As you can see, it is like a square. We have a little like 8 centimeters probably heel. You can find it too. So boots, yeah, they will be really long. We have the zip, so they are not pull on. I think that they will be nice around ankle. Oh, 100 papers inside. Like, okay, so I will try them on. I have very similar color of the Fernando boots and I really love them too. So like I said, these boots cost like less than 50 euros. This is a faux leather, but since you want to try maybe your first long boots, I will make an outfit with these boots and I will show you something, what I mean, because some people don't understand long boots and some people laugh about them, and this is nothing to laugh. I really love boots that they are just above knee, but I also love really boots that they are nice and long. Then you can wear a nice long jumper, leather shorts, ties and your very long boots to cover your legs from the wind and from the cold. So that's whole secret of the long boots. And you know, just for me, why some people laughing about the long boots but they don't laughing about the ankle boots, I don't understand. So yeah, for example, these boots, they are quite just over knee, nothing super long. I saw many boots like the knee high. Some boots, they can be worn this way, like this, just fold it over. I think that these boots you can also wear like much lower, and you can just, all the boots you can wear in so many ways, but these boots I have to try. I'm not sure if I want to try this because I don't like it. Let's try only the boots. The boots I wore, and I cannot believe how long they are. I'm not sure if the H&M model, probably it is, she is taller than me, so that's why boots are longer for me. For sure, not with this outfit, not with the jeans, probably with the leggings and the longer jumper. That could be better. I have to say that they are very like not really comfy boots, really. Honestly, not really good boots. Size it is okay, because size 30 it is completely fine. Bigger could be too big. But really? I can't believe that H&M made this boot. So that surprised me a lot. And I will make a quick change, just very quick. My Tennessee leggings, and I've got my huge jumper that I really love this jumper because it is beautiful color, and I really love this hair. This is from the Amy Paris and I love it. So I think that with the oversized jumper on the top, leggings, because I talk about the shorts, but actually we cannot wear any shorts at all because these boots are too long for the shorts. Or you can make an outfit that you will cover your whole legs, and you can wear, for example, a nice large skirt with the nice slit and on the front, and that could be also a good outfit. But I don't have any skirt like this, so we will try this outfit in the whole gray color with the black and gray leggings. I don't think so I will keep these boots. This is like 100% I will send them back. Even I think with this outfit, that's not really looking good. I don't have any ideas how to make my outfit with these boots better with the things I've got in my wardrobe, because like I said, they could be good with the nice large skirt. I don't know, maybe like from the very, very light fabric, because boots, they are heavy, so you have to balance it with something light. So maybe like very light skirt made from the, I don't know, think like my the shirt is something sheer, something see-through, and then you can just have the slit and you can show the leg, like, you know, any nice roll neck maybe. It is difficult boots too. I don't really like the front because I like the square toe with the knee-high boots, but with the very long boots like them, they are not really good. I'm not sure if there will be many customers who will love these boots. Let me know, what do you think of them? Heel, it is very comfy to walk, but anyway, boots are very something strange, I feel, over the ankle. So it is even painful when I'm standing, so that's not really good. And I don't know, just I can feel and I can see that this is faux leather, so not really my choice, really. I don't like it at all, sorry. After this unsuccessful, really bad haul from the H&M, I can just keep, I think, the hair clip, and I hope that the hair clip wasn't that expensive. I don't remember the price, but I have to check. And I think that boots, I will send it back. The see-through top, I will send it back. And New Year top, let's say, or the last day of the old year, or the current year, I will just send back to, because I really thought that it's gonna be different. I'm not sure, so I try on anyway, and I show you this on the side, but it is really, I spent for this order like 500, so it is about 100 euro, and I have to say that I'm not happy with it. This parcel, we've been waiting like 4 days to open to make the great video, because I thought that these boots will be really great, will be something wonderful that you can try, but they are not for me. But maybe you will like it. So let me know in the comments if you like these boots or not. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please give a like. Even if you don't like these boots, just give me a like. That really helps to make my videos visible. So please remember about the like, about the comment, and about the subscribe. Thank you for watching.